So we saw how to create a list, whether it's numbers, strings, or a mixed type, and how to access each and every element. Now let's see that if we want to update a particular element or element at particular location, how can we do it? So let's again create our colors list, which was having first element as red, green, blue. Now let's say we want to update element at index number 1. So I can always write colors index number 1 equal to, let's say, brown. Now let's try to print this list. Colors. Let's run our program, Python update list.py. And yes, earlier the list was having red, green, and blue elements. Now we can see that we have updated the index number 1, which is green with the brown color. Now let's try to again update the second index element. Let's say I say colors 2 equal to, let's say, pink, print colors, and let me put print here as well, just for simplicity, so that we will have a difference colors. Now let's execute our program and see the output. Python update list.py, and now we can see that earlier we had all the elements as red, green, blue. Then we updated the index number 1, which is brown, by replacing green, and we got red, brown, blue. Then we updated the last index, which is index number 2, with pink. And now we have all the colors as red, brown, pink. So we saw how to update an element at particular existing index. But what if we try to add an element or update an element at the index number which doesn't exist? Let's see what happens. Colors at index number 3. We are going to add, let's say, maroon. And let's try to print this list again. Now let's see the output. Python update list.py. Oh, so it gives an error. An error clearly says that it's an index error. Why? Because the assignment of the index is out of range. As we already saw that in this list we have only 3 elements with the index number starting from 0 to 2. There is no index number 3. And if we try to update that index value, the interpreter does not allow that. It gives an index error.